आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, in this question we have that the match the statement expression in column first with the statement in column or expressions in column second. So column first and second, the minimum value of x square plus 2x we have given is this b0. Let a and b be 3 matrices of real number where a is symmetric, b is skew symmetric, and a plus b, a minus b is equals to a minus b, a plus b if this is the transpose of the matrix A, AB. Then the possible values of K are here in the second is this. And our C option is this, that let A is equals to log this, and integer K is satisfying here is this. Okay. And in this equation, sin theta cos is, we have this. Okay. So now let's solve this equation. As we can see that our A is R, B, C, and D we have is. Okay. So here we are gonna now do explanation. Okay. So here we have is, in A we have that y is equals to x square plus 2x plus 4 x plus 2, right? This is what we have is. Okay. So we will take this now. So now we will solve it. So here we will get is x square plus 2 minus y x plus 4 minus 2y, which is equals to 0. Then here we will get 2 minus y whole square minus 4 minus 2y, which will be 0, and therefore d is greater than 0. So here will be y square plus 4y minus 12 this, and here we have a value of y is minus 6 and y 2. So we can't take negative value, therefore here will be minimum value of y is 2, right? Similarly we will do with the second b part also. We have a plus b, a minus b, and a minus b, a plus b, right? Here we have this one. Okay. So now let's try to solve this. Okay. And here we will have now is, after solving it, we will get a square minus ab ba minus b square, which is equals to a square plus ab minus ba minus b square. Okay. So here we will have is ab is equals to ba, right? And then it will be ab t, which is equals to minus 1k ab. That's why it will be bt a power t minus 1k, which will be ab, right? Now here what we have is minus b into a is equals to minus 1k ab. Therefore b dash bt minus b will be equal to at is will be equals to a, right? So now that's why here will be b into a, which will be equals to minus 1k plus 1 ab, right? And after this we will get here minus 1 k plus 1 which will be equals to 0. Therefore k plus 1 is even, right? K plus 1 is even, or k is odd number here. Similarly, in the third part we have is this. This is our equation of, in the C part we have this. Okay, so let's do this again. We will explain it here. 1 minus k plus 3 minus this. Now let's assume that minus 1 is equals to a. So here will be a. Okay, and it will be 2. So now when we will solve it, let's assume that a is equals to 1. So it will be minus a. Okay, so here we will have is that 0, 1, right? Now we have given is a is equals to log 3. A is equals to log 3 and 2. Okay, this is already we have given, so here from here we will get is 3, 2. Okay, now we have our equations will be here, like 3 minus a which will be equals to log 2 3 and k log 2 3 which will be 2. In the third equation will be we have is 1 plus k 3 will be 1. Therefore k is greater than 0. This will be our first equation, this can be our second equation, and this can be our third equation here. Okay, now let's assume only this. So here we will get now from equations second and third. From equations second and third we will get 0, k, 2, k is equals to 1, where k is an integer. Okay, therefore we can write that k is an, here we have k is an integer, right? Now let's do the third part. Fourth part we have d is, let's check that what we have in the d. We have sin theta is equals to this, sin theta. Okay, so now we will solve this. Okay, the positive values of 1 by pi, this. Okay, we understand it now. Cos pi by 2 minus theta which will be equals to this, right? Where pi by 2 minus theta is equals to 2 n pi plus minus n belongs to 1. Okay, so now what we have here is we have theta plus minus pi by 2 which will be equals to 2 n pi, where n belongs to 1. So here we finally have is 1 by pi theta minus pi by 2 will be equals to minus 2n, where n belongs to 1. Okay, so this is our final answers about all the final explanations of this paths. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।